Now, we will code the map set that will define the following screen. I won't go into detail in this video on how to develop a CICS screen. So before continuing, I recommend that you follow my tutorial on how to build a CICS screen, where you will find all the explanations for coding a map set. To start, I connect to CICS and begin writing the screen I want to create. This method allows me to more easily define some attributes for each field, such as position and length. First, we have a title. Then, we have a message indicating the function of the screen. Next, we have input fields, including the employee's ID, first name, last name, salary, and an action field. Below, we have a message that indicates the result of the action performed by the user. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, there are actions and commands that the user can execute. Now I return to my TSO session and create a new member in my MAPSET library, which I name CRUD set. I start by writing the dfhmsd macro, which defines the map set. Then, I write the dfhmdi macro, which declares the map within the map set. Now, we will declare each field of the screen using the dfhmdf macro. I begin with the title. This is a protected field positioned at row 2, column 24, and has a length of 27 characters. And I proceed in the same way for all the other fields on the screen. For the EMP ID input field, we specify that the field must be unprotected to allow user input. We use the IC initial cursor option to ensure the cursor is positioned on this field when the screen appears. Additionally, we specify the pike in and pike out clauses to indicate that the field is numeric, which will ensure that the corresponding variable is defined as numeric in the symbolic map copy. Finally, we set the field's highlight property to underline, making the field underlined on the screen. I finished the map set with a dfhmsd macro with type final. Now that we have finished coding the map set, I will assemble it using the mapcomp assembly JCL. Then we can declare it in CICS and verify it. The display is correct. The cursor is positioned on the employee ID field as expected. The labels and colors are correct, and the underlined fields are the only ones that are editable. In the next video, we will code the CICS program that will interact with this screen.